要去报个大师懂了，干嘛给他
？From the writer and director of Timeless Love and Breaking Silence comes a romantic comedy about the vengeful and bittersweet love between Gamo and Vong.
上网你对多了干嘛？要进单子了。
可是你录的还能呢。
She swears vengeance on Chong Yi Yang, the man who is responsible for her loss.
你家啦，开到个包呢，กูยังไม่ยอม呢。
ก็สากกับไปยังไงตัวแก่แต่ชิโน่เหรอ
จุกี้อ่ะก็น่ะมินชา
She meets Vong, the only son of Chong Yi Yang,
干嘛？
and helplessly falls for his charms. Will she be able to overcome her own heart and take revenge?
要没呢？你到星期六去找包公呗。
你了。
Find out this summer on July 4th.
Chỉ có cứ yên chỉ